Dear viewers, hello and welcome to Arif Education TV. This is Arif Khadem from Sydney, Australia. Dear viewers, this is the second episode of Learn English Tricks and Techniques. Today we are going to learn some key terms and words that are often mistaken by a lot of non-native English speakers. I have got a lot of students coming from Asian countries, Africa, South American countries and some European countries. Many students coming from Asia, Africa or South America often make a lot of mistakes in some basic terms that we use on a daily basis. Let's have a look at those words. Dear learners, I have written a number of words which are very well known to us. We use them every day, every moment in spoken English and also in written English, and we often hear these words also from others when they speak. While speaking or writing, we see a lot of students are very confused. They are not sure what to say, how to use them or what not to say, so they often are very much confused and feel lack of confidence. So if you follow me in the next few minutes, I am sure I will be able to remove those confusions from your mind for the rest of your lives. The first word, a lot of words are actually very similar, but we just need to understand what each of them means and how they should be used. So your full concentration onto the lecture is very much desirable. The first one is everyone. I have written here. You might ask me why I have written everyone again. Now you have to understand that there is a difference between these two words here, because here actually we cannot see actually two words, we can see actually three words. One here is, this is everyone, we can see one word. Here we can see every, then one. Now many students, coming from those countries I have mentioned, they are not sure whether it's a one word or two words. We have to understand that everyone is one word, same as everybody. The way we say everybody together, we have to say everyone together, and there is a gap here. That's why this everyone is absolutely wrong. We can't say every then one separately. So that's one word, that's it. Now at the same time, we are going to learn when we use everyone as a subject, is it singular or plural? That's another big confusion. When we say people, I have written here, that's people, that's plural. We know that's more than one person. When we say a person, that's one. That doesn't mean more than one. There's just one person. Now, as soon as we say everyone, that's actually singular. When we say he goes, she goes, he is a student, she is a student, right? Look at the verbs we are using here. The he is, she is. When you say everyone, are you going to say everyone are? No, that's wrong. We have to say everyone is a student. He is there. Who is there? He is there. Who is there? Everyone is there. Who goes there? David goes there. Who goes there? Everyone goes there. Not everyone go there. Not everyone are there. Everyone is happy. Not everyone are happy. Many students, many people, it's not just students, I'm talking about people as a whole. Those who never used English in their home countries, they make that mistake. So make sure that everyone is third person singular. So if you say everyone is, in the past, what are you going to say? Everyone was. In future, obviously very simple, everyone will. Similarly, everybody, it has the same meaning as everyone. So where you can say everyone is, you can say everybody is. Everybody was. Then in the second and third line, I have written every people, every peoples, one people, many peoples. Now viewers, come learners, can you please tell me which one is correct here? I know you can talk to me now, but ask yourself and think what the answer is. And check at the end whether what you thought was correct or not. So here, every people, every peoples, one people, many peoples. You might think, okay, something is correct. One of them is correct, two of them are correct. No, none of them is actually correct. Because you cannot say every people, because every is a singular pronoun. So generally, with every, when we say something, it has to be singular. Like the way we say here, every day. Every day can be used in two different ways. Every day together, one word, and every day separately. But not everyone again. Okay? So we see here, we don't say every days. We don't say every weeks. So there are two different words, but we are using just every week means each week. That means 1 week at a time. Every month means 1 month at a time, not 2 months. Sometimes people think every is plural. No. It's never plural, it's always singular. That's why I just told you that everyone is, everybody is. And we know the be verb is used with third person singular. The same within the past was. Okay, and the same with the main verb, everyone goes, everyone comes, everyone eats, likewise. So going back to the topic here, every people, based on our discussion, okay, cannot be right, so we have to say no. Every people is wrong. Then people itself is actually plural. Okay? Just by itself. So we don't need to add as to people to make it plural. Make sure, viewers, we do not add an as to people to make it plural. Even though it's a mistake, but when we just say, so let's say I need to say here, many people. How am I going to say? So many, P-E-O-P-L-E. I don't say peoples, no. Just people. When I say some people, I don't say some peoples. I say simply some people. That's it. That means some peoples here, that's also wrong. Then many peoples, that's also wrong. Every peoples, that's super wrong. It cannot happen because every, we have to say what? So if it's every, so what is the singular form of people? That's person. So I have to say every person. So you cannot say every people or even people. So all are wrong. Many speakers say one people. That's another wrong thing. You can't say one people because one is singular. Then we have to say one what? Person here. That's it. You can't say here one people. That's wrong. So we can see most of the things I have written here are actually wrong. And these are the ones we actually commonly use in conversation, in writing, in any way we try to use them. So please understand that everyone, that's one word. Okay, everyone, you cannot say two different ones by separating, so it has to be one. Everybody, again, you can separate them, it has to be one because many students often make that mistake when they write. Okay, separate them, everybody, everyone, that's wrong. Then every people they say, one people they say, that's wrong. Every peoples they say, then many peoples they say. I know many we should say people but not peoples. Likewise, many people. Some peoples, again we can't say some peoples, we have to say some people only. If we want to say every instead of people or peoples, we have to say every person. The way we say every day, every week, every month, every year. Dear viewers, that's all for today. If you like this video clip, please do not forget to put your thumbs up under the channel and subscribe this channel if you haven't done so, and activate the ringtone alert so you can get the next video clip. If you have enjoyed this video clip, I hope you will share this clip with all the social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email, or even YouTube itself. If you wish to leave a comment, please do not hesitate to leave as many comments as you like and wait for my response. Take care and have a beautiful day.